Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will discuss the difference between normal health insurance policy and Corona Coverage policy. Myself Shantanu Shao, your financial advisor. I will explain why the two policies differ in some category wise. Now the pandemic has rising day by day, so we have to protect ourselves through specific health insurance policy. So let me discuss which policy is most suitable for you. Firstly, the normal health insurance policy cover normal health disease also and the corona coverage, corona treatment also. But the corona policy specifically designed for the corona treatment only. Normal policy does not cover expenses toward PPE kits, masks, gloves, etc. But Corona Coverage policy cover PPE kits, gloves, masks costing. But now the government has decided to pay PPE kits, masks and gloves costing in normal policy also in subject specific limit. So if you take the normal health insurance policy, the PPE kits also provided basics on the some criteria on the insurance company and the insurance policy, which policy you are opting for. The third point is possible to pay the premium for health insurance policy, it is yearly, but in Corona Coverage that is the only option for the yearly single premium only. Coverage is usually for a 1 year, and Corona Coverage policy you can take the policy of 3 segments, 3.5 months, 6.5 months and 9.5 months. So according your need you can take your Corona Coverage policy. Might not cover comorbid conditions under normal health insurance policy. Might be covered, might not be covered according the specific criteria of the specific policy. But under the Corona Coverage policy, you are also eligible to comorbid benefit in case of corona treatment. These benefit covered under the Corona Coverage policy. Number 6. Not limit to the sum insured amount of 5 lakhs. Any sum insured you can take the health insurance policy, but Corona Coverage the sum insured restricted up to 5 lakhs. Above 5 lakhs you are not eligible to take the policy. Deductible are considered while settling claim. Something deductible options, non-medical item is deductible for your claim, but under the Corona Coverage may not be deductible item according the GI guidelines. May not cover Ayush treatment, but Corona Coverage also cover the Ayush treatment, but some health insurance policy in the different company also provide the Ayush treatment benefit. May not cover home care treatment, normal health insurance policy, but Corona Coverage policy is specifically designed home care treatment. But doctor should be advised for the home treatment, then you can eligible to take the claim under this policy. The premium of the normal health insurance policy is a geographical location wise. Suppose you are residing in Delhi or Chennai, whatever your location, so premium will be changed according to location. But Corona Coverage policy, the premium is designed is pan India basis. So all over India the premium will be the same with the same company. So choose accordingly, according your need, according your budget. So every company has, not every company, most of the health insurance company had launched this kind of product according to the IRDA guidelines. So you may take according your need or according your capability. So thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel to get more and more update for the news of financial and insurance market. Thank you very much.